What if I told you that just 5,000 rupees per month, less than what most people spend on weekend parties, could turn into lakhs, even crores in just 10 years? Now, before you scroll away thinking, "Oh no, another boring math lecture," stay with me. Because in the next 10 minutes, you're going to see how one small decision today could mean the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and living life on your own terms. Think about it. 10 years will pass anyway. The real question is, when it does, will you look back with regret or with pride? Here's the truth. Most people in their 20s and 30s don't think about money long term. We blow cash on food delivery, subscriptions, overpriced gadgets, because it feels harmless. But imagine yourself 10 years older. You're still grinding at a job you don't love, stressing over bills, watching your friends buy houses or travel the world. And you're stuck because you never invested. That's the scary part. It's not about losing money, it's about losing time. And time, once gone, never comes back. By the way, if you're thinking, "Bro, I barely saved 5,000 rupees. Where's this money supposed to come from?" Relax. We'll talk about smarter ways to find it later. Now let's flip the script. Imagine you start investing 5,000 rupees every month. That's just 166 rupees per day, literally the cost of a fancy coffee, at a 12% average annual return, which is realistic for mutual funds or index funds over the long run. After 10 years, your money grows to 11.6 lakh rupees. Sounds nice, right? But here's where it gets exciting. Your actual contribution is only 6 lakh rupees. The rest, 5.6 lakh rupees, is money your money made for you. That's right. You worked hard for 6 lakh rupees, but your money worked harder than you to earn 5.6 lakh rupees. And this is just the beginning. Here's the real magic: compounding. Most people underestimate it, but it's like a snowball rolling downhill. Small at first, unstoppable later. And here's the kicker. If you keep that money invested for another 10 years without adding a single extra rupee, it doesn't just double, it explodes to 36 lakh rupees. So next time your friend brags about his new iPhone EMI, ask him, "Cool, bro, but did your phone triple in value?" Now let's talk about what happens if you don't invest. Let's say you keep that same 5,000 rupees per month in a savings account. After 10 years, you'll have around 6 lakh rupees. No growth, barely keeping up with inflation. Meanwhile, your friend who invested has nearly 12 lakh rupees. That's a difference of 6 lakh rupees, all because you chose comfort over consistency. And remember, this isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to quit a toxic job, freedom to travel, freedom to say yes to opportunities without checking your bank balance. Now here's the part most people ignore: when to start. You might think, "I'll wait till I earn more." But the truth? Delaying costs you more than you realize. Start at 25 with 5,000 rupees a month, and by 35 you could have 12 lakh rupees. Start at 30 and you'll only have around 7 lakh rupees by 40, even if you invest the same amount. The longer you wait, the more you're leaving money on the table. So the real question isn't, "Can I afford to invest 5,000 rupees a month?" It's, "Can I afford not to?" Picture this. 10 years from now, you open your investment account and see lakhs. Built not from luck, but from discipline. Your future self is smiling, thanking you for every time you chose investing over instant gratification. And while others are still chasing money, you'll have money chasing you. Trust me, nothing feels better than checking your balance and saying, "Wow, I'm actually rich." So here's your choice. Keep spending 5,000 rupees on short-term pleasures, or start investing it into your future. Because 10 years will come whether you prepare for it or not. Be the person who looks back and says, "I'm glad I started," not the one who says, "I wish I had." If you're serious about building wealth, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's turn smart money moves into a wealthy lifestyle together.